Hello, welcome. And in this video we're going to find out if you can use the Siri AI assistant to access the accessibility settings. So what I have tested, our dear assistant can only guide us where we can change the accessibility settings, because if we, for example, tell him that or her that our arms got cut off in a factory accident, nothing will happen. Let me show you. Hey Siri, can you zoom the screen for me because my arms got cut off in a factory accident? And I tried many times, and all he or she did was just to guide me to the accessibility settings in the settings, which I could do normally, or typed "I can't help you with that," which is not ideal, to be honest. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.